Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Losing important data on an iPhone is more common than people think. It can happen after an accidental deletion, a failed iOS update, a system crash, or even a broken or lost device. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at TunesKit iPhone Data Recovery, a professional data recovery solution designed to help you retrieve lost or deleted data from iPhones, iPads, and iTunes or iCloud backups. TunesKit iPhone Data Recovery supports over 20 types of iOS data. This includes photos, videos, messages, contacts, notes, calendars, and also popular social app data, like WhatsApp, Line, Snapchat, and more. The software offers 3 recovery modes. Let's take a look at how to use it. The first mode is Recover from iOS device. Connect your device to computer, then choose the data types you want to scan. Recover only the files you actually need. Click Scan. After the scan is complete, select the data you need to recover and click the Recover to PC button to proceed. Once the recovery is complete, you can access the corresponding folder to view the recovered data. Or view the specific time information on the web page. This is useful when the phone still works, but files were accidentally erased. The second mode is Recover from iTunes Backup. If you previously backed up your device using iTunes, TunesKit can scan that backup file and extract specific data from it without restoring the entire backup to your phone. The third mode is Recover from iCloud Backup. You can sign into your iCloud account, download the backup, and selectively recover data from it. The steps are the same as those described above. If you've ever lost data on your iPhone or iPad, TunesKit iPhone Data Recovery is a tool worth keeping in mind. You can find the download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.